Exponents and Powers activity by paper folding. First one, 2 to the power 1. So you have to take the paper and fold 1 times. Now open 2 to the power 1. How many? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Next one, 2 to the power 2. So we have to fold 2 times. 1, 2. Now open. See the shape. 1. See this one. 2. This one is 3. This one is 4. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. Next one, 2 to the power 3. That means we have to fold 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So I folded 3 times. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. The answer is 8. Next one, 2 to the power 4. So I have taken the full paper. How many times fold? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. 2 to the power 4. 4 times. So now open. Alright, see this? பார்க்க தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Try 2 to the power 5. That means we have to fold 5 times. Okay. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you all.